An equilateral triangle has sides of length 16. To the nearest tenth, what is the height of an equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle, it means that all sides are congruent. So let me draw triangle. This is our triangle, equilateral triangle. All sides are congruent, so we have given the length of sides is 16. What else? We have to find the height of this equilateral triangle. To find the height, we have to draw the segment from the, for example, we will draw the height to the base. This is our base. The height connect the vertex with the base. And this segment is perpendicular to the base. So now, this is equilateral triangle. It means that these three angles are congruent also. And we know that the measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. If we divide 180 degrees by 3, so we have that every angle has 60 degrees. So let me write here that this is 60 degrees. And now, to find the height we will make that this is h. To find the height, we will use trigonometric function, the sine function. Because we have given angle, we have given hypotenuse, so we can find the height of our triangle, and we have right angle between the height and the base. That's why we can use trigonometric function sine of 60 degrees angle. What will be from the definition? This is opposite side, so let me write this opposite to hypotenuse. So we can write this one more time. Sine of 60 degrees, this is opposite side is h, to hypotenuse is given 16. So now our unknown is only h. We will multiply both sides by 16. So we have that 16 and 16 we can reduce, and we have that h is equal 16 times sine of 60 degree. So h is equal 16 times sine of 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. We can reduce 2 and 16. This is 1 and will be 8. So we have that h is equal 8 square root of 3. Because we have to find the height to the nearest tenth, the length of height to the nearest tenth, so we will use calculator. We have h times square root of 3. So this is equal 13.85, and because we have to round to the nearest tenth, so we need 2 digits after decimal point. The tenth is the first digit after decimal point. So we have to underline tenth and check the second digit is 5. So we need to add 1 to our underlined digits. So this is approximately equal 13.9. The 0 after 9 we don't have to write because it doesn't change the value of our number. So we found the height of our equilateral triangle. This is my solution.